So I'm gonna try to do a quick video on how to replace these high beams. I'm using this H1 Nokia, and it's pretty simple to remove them without having to remove the whole headlight. And if you see here, this is the housing for the high beams. So what you want to do is twist this cap off. So once you take it out, you'll see the bulb there. What you're first going to do is pull this plug out first and try to get that out of the way. And then you're going to see this pin. So what you got to do is grab this little pin here in this corner and press it in. And then you want to move it out of the way. So once you move it out of the way, that's it. All you got to do is just reach in and grab the bulb. And that's pretty much it. So now that you have a new bulb, you want to grab the other one. And try not to touch the glass. Once you touch the glass, your oil from your finger gets stuck to it. So you want to try to line it up the same way as the other one. So you see the mark? You want to line that the same way that one is. So once you have the bulb in there, you want to press this pin and lock it in place. That's it. So once it's locked in, all you gotta do is grab this connection again and then just push it in. And that's it. And then all you gotta do is just put the cap back on.